I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is updated and your images are backed up, because edits should be reversible and safe. Open Photos and pick the image you want. Tap Edit to enter the workspace. First, use Auto to get a balanced exposure, then tap Crop to straighten and frame. These quick fixes establish a clean baseline. Once done, adjust exposure and highlights to recover detail. These early steps make later color and local edits more predictable and faster. Now you move from general to precise. Use the light and color sliders to shape the overall mood. If you need exact contrast, open curves to tweak shadows, midtones, and highlights. Small curve moves yield big visual changes. For targeted changes, switch to masking or selective tools and paint where you want more sharpness or softer skin. Use healing for blemishes and the portrait depth controls to adjust background blur. These focused edits refine the image without harming global balance. Finish by saving thoughtfully. Tap Done to keep edits non-destructive or save as new copy when you need both versions. Make sure to export in the format and size you need, AirDrop for originals, files, or share for JPEG/hike with chosen quality. Once saved, check the image on another device to confirm colors. If something goes wrong, revert to the original or step back through adjustments. And if the Photos app freezes, force close and reopen. Then reopen the image to resume editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.